नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ 30 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स, जो कि हर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो जीके एनालिसिस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आने वाला हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे।
Question number 1. What is the current name of the capital city of India? New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. And the correct answer is New Delhi. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Question number 2. In which continent India is situated? Africa, Asia, Europe, South America. And the correct answer is option B, Asia. Asia is the largest continent of the world in terms of population and area. Question number 3. India is situated in which part of Asia? East Asia, West Asia, North Asia and South Asia. Correct answer is option D, South Asia. Question number 4. India shares land border with how many countries? 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the correct answer is option D, 7. And these countries are China, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, Nepal and Myanmar. Question number 5. There are how many states in India? 26, 27, 28 and 29. Right answer is option C, that is 28. These states are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Question number 6. There are how many union territories in India? 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right answer is option D, 8. And the union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, the government of NCT of Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep and Puducherry. Question number 7. India shares maritime border with which of the following country? Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal and China. Right answer is option A, that is Sri Lanka. Question number 8. What is the official currency of India? Taka, Rupee, Rial and Rupiah. And the right answer is option B, Rupee or Indian Rupee. Taka is the official currency of Bangladesh, Rial is the official currency of Iran, and Rupiah is the official currency of Indonesia. Question number 9. When did India become independent? 15th August 1948, 14th August 1947, 14th August 1948, 15th August 1947. And the right answer is option D, 15th August 1947. Independence Day of Pakistan is 14th August 1947. Question number 10. How many coastal states are there in India? 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the right answer is option C, 9. These coastal states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. Question number 11. What is the area of India? 3.287 million square kilometer, 3.074 million square kilometer, 3.546 million square kilometer, 3.887 million square kilometer. And the right answer is option A, 3.287 million square kilometer. And the actual area is 3286927 square kilometer. Question number 12. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of area? 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th. The right answer is option C, 7th. First, Russia. Second, Canada. Third, China. Fourth, US. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth, Australia. And India is the 7th one. Question number 13. What is the rank of India in the world in terms of population? First, second, third, fourth. And the right answer is option B, second. First, China. Population of China is 144.41 crore as for 2021. And the population of India is 139.18 crore, which is estimated by 2021. And the population of India was 121.02 crore as per 2011 census. Question number 14. Which is the longest river of India? Ganga, Godavari, Narmada, and Krishna. Right answer is option A, Ganga. Length of the Ganga river is 2,525 km. Godavari is the second longest river of India. Narmada is the third longest river of India. Krishna is the fourth longest river of India. Question number 15. What is the name of the highest mountain peak of India? Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Kutanad, and K2. Right answer is option A, Kanchenjunga. Height of the Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meters. It is located in the eastern Himalaya mountain range. It is located in the state of Sikkim, and it is the third highest peak of the world. Question number 6. In how many sides India is surrounded by water bodies? 2, 3, 4, and 5. The right answer is option B, that is 3. Question number 17. India is surrounded by how many oceans? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right answer is option C, that is 3. Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south. Question number 18. India shares complete sea borders with how many countries? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right answer is option A, that is 2. And these countries are Maldives and Sri Lanka. Question number 19. How many union territories of India are waterlogged? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right answer is option B, that is 2. Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 20. Which is the largest state of India in terms of area? Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. And the right answer is option D, that is Rajasthan. And the area of the Rajasthan is 342,239 square kilometer. Question number 21. Which is the largest state of India in terms of population? Rajasthan, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar. The right answer is option C, that is Uttar Pradesh. Population of Uttar Pradesh was 19.98 crore as per 2011 census, and the population of Uttar Pradesh will be 23.49 crore, which is estimated by 2021. Question number 22. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of area? Sikkim, Goa, Manipur, and Mizoram. Right answer is option B, that is Goa. And the area of the Goa is 3,702 square kilometer. Question number 23. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of population? Sikkim, Nagaland, Kerala, and Mizoram. Right answer is option A, Sikkim. And the population of Sikkim is 6.1 lakhs as per 2011 census. Question number 24. Which is the largest union territory of India in terms of area? Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Delhi, and Lakshadweep. Right answer is option B, Ladakh. Area of the Ladakh is 59,146 square kilometer. Question number 25. Which is the smallest union territory of India in terms of area? Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, and Lakshadweep. And the right answer is option D, Lakshadweep. Area of the Lakshadweep is only 32 square kilometer. Question number 26. Which is the smallest union territory of India in terms of population? Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, and Lakshadweep. Right answer is option D, Lakshadweep. The population of Lakshadweep is 64,473 as per 2011 census. Question number 27. Which is the largest union territory of India in terms of population? Delhi, Puducherry, Chandigarh, and Lakshadweep. Right answer is option A, Delhi. Population of Delhi is 167879 and 41 as per the 2011 census. Question number 28. Lakshadweep is situated in which sea? Sorry, here spelling is mistake. Okay. Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Atlantic Ocean. And the correct answer is option B, Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep is situated at southwestern coast of India in Arabian Sea. Question number 29. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in which sea? Atlantic Ocean, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Right answer is option D, Bay of Bengal. Question number 30. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in which side of India? Southwest coast, eastern coast, southeastern coast, western coast. And the right answer is option C, southeastern coast. Thanks for watching GK Analysis.